Hi, I'm Nick, and today I'm going to show you how to run an autonomous clean on the Smart50 printer. All you need for this is the IDP Smart long cleaning card. For this procedure, we're going to keep the printer on. And now you're ready to start the cleaning process. This is pretty straightforward, as there are on-screen instructions and detailed diagrams showing you exactly what you need to do. When you finish each stage, you press next, but be careful because you should be ready for the next stage as soon as you do so. So don't go making a cup of coffee in between this. First, we're going to open the control panel on the computer connected to your printer. We're going to go to Devices and Printers. Then select your IDP Smart printer. Right-click on the icon, click Printer Properties, select the Services tab on the top right-hand corner, and select Clean Printer. So now we're going to open up the top of the printer and remove the lid cartridge. Now we open the hopper, take out the cards. So now that it's done, we're going to take the cleaning card out of its packet and place it in the card hopper. When the card is in all the way, close the top cover. You'll notice that the cleaning card has got dark marks on it. This is a good thing, and sometimes the darker the better, because that means it's been a thorough clean, which means you'll be able to print to the highest quality and hopefully extend the lifetime of your printer. So there we go. Please let us know how you get on in the comments section below, and please don't forget to subscribe for more how-to videos. So it's goodbye for now, thanks for watching, see you next time. Now, see you next time. Why do it? Why do that?
Why did you always ruin a perfectly good take? Should we go one more time, Nick?
No, I demand that be kept in.